Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. These are some pork chops off the farm. On the grill, a bag of broccoli with butter and garlic on it. And here's my hot sauce, or the hot barbecue sauce. It's got spicy mustard in there, honey, generic just honey smoked barbecue sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Let me tell you, I'm going to bathe those pork chops in there and let them cook on a off heat for a little while. And you're talking about something good, those chops will be good. And my temperature is running about 350. The chops are essentially 10 minutes from being done. I like my fat a little bit more done, so. And I've got a Lowery seasoning salt on the pork chops and garlic. Bon appetit.